We gaze at the stars, we ponder our existence, and then Hubble shows us more. More galaxies, more planets, more of everything. Launched in 1990, Hubble revolutionized astronomy, unveiling the cosmos in unprecedented detail. Its images are iconic, pillars of creation, anyone? But Hubble is aging. Its instruments, though upgraded by space shuttle missions, are now outdated. Imagine a Hubble 2.0. Sharper images, wider fields of view, sensitivity to light never seen before. We could peer deeper into the universe. We could unlock secrets about dark matter and exoplanets. The potential for discovery is immense. Upgrading Hubble is a monumental task. It requires technical prowess, financial muscle, and political will. Can a private company like SpaceX rise to the challenge? Can a billionaire foot the bill? The answer may surprise you. It just might be yes. Enter SpaceX, Elon Musk's brainchild, a company disrupting the space industry. Reusable rockets, check. Missions to Mars in the works. Upgrading Hubble, it's audacious, it's ambitious, but is it feasible? SpaceX has the hardware. Falcon Heavy, Starship, these rockets are capable. They can lift heavy payloads into orbit. They can rendezvous with Hubble. But it's not just about raw power. Upgrading Hubble requires finesse. It demands precision engineering. The telescope is delicate. One wrong move could be catastrophic. SpaceX has a track record of success. It has docked with the International Space Station. It has launched and recovered payloads with pinpoint accuracy. But upgrading Hubble is a different beast. It requires robotic arms to replace instruments. It requires astronauts to work in the vacuum of space. It's a complex and dangerous dance. But SpaceX is known for innovation. It's known for pushing the envelope. It's known for not shying away from challenges. Upgrading Hubble would be a testament to human ingenuity. It would cement SpaceX's place in history. It would showcase the power of private enterprise in space. It would be a giant leap for both SpaceX and for science. But technical feasibility is only one piece of the puzzle. We also need to talk about money. Lots and lots of money. Space exploration is expensive, really expensive. Upgrading Hubble is no exception. We're talking billions of dollars, development costs, manufacturing costs, launch costs, it all adds up. But billionaires are not known for their fear of big numbers. They made their fortunes by taking risks, by investing in the future. Upgrading Hubble is an investment in science, an investment in humanity. And yes, an investment that could potentially yield financial returns. Think space tourism, think asteroid mining. The technologies developed for Hubble's upgrade could have lucrative applications. But let's be clear, the primary motivation here is not profit. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. It's about inspiring the next generation of scientists and engineers. It's about leaving a legacy that extends far beyond our earthly concerns. Billionaires understand this. They see the bigger picture. They see the value in investing in something that benefits all of humanity. But money alone is not enough. We also need to navigate the complex world of space policy. We need to get governments on board. We need to ensure that this mission is done safely and responsibly, and that's where things get really interesting. Space is complicated, not just scientifically but politically too. Treaties, regulations, international cooperation. It's a tangled web. Upgrading Hubble requires navigating this web carefully. It requires collaboration between private companies and government agencies. NASA, the European Space Agency, and others all have a stake in Hubble. They've invested billions in its development and operation. They're not just going to hand over the keys to a billionaire, no matter how well-intentioned. But times are changing. Private companies are becoming increasingly important in space. Governments are recognizing the value of public-private partnerships. SpaceX has already worked with NASA on numerous missions. It has transported cargo and astronauts to the International Space Station. It has demonstrated its reliability and expertise. Upgrading Hubble would be a natural evolution of this partnership. It would set a precedent for future collaborations. It would show that private companies and governments can work together to achieve ambitious goals in space. But it's not going to be easy. There will be bureaucratic hurdles. There will be legal challenges. There will be concerns about safety and liability. But with careful planning and open communication, these challenges can be overcome. Section 5. The legacy of mere public-private partnerships in space exploration. History offers valuable lessons, and the Mir space station is a prime example. Originally a Soviet creation and a symbol of Cold War technological prowess, Mir faced new realities when the Soviet Union collapsed. Russia, the successor state, encountered economic hardships, turning Mir, once a source of national pride, into a burden. That's when the United States stepped in. Once rivals in space, the two nations became partners. NASA astronauts journeyed to Mir on space shuttle missions, engaging in joint research and learning from each other. This collaboration paved the way for the International Space Station, a shining example of what humanity can achieve when it works together. The Mir shuttle program demonstrates the power of public-private partnerships and shows that, despite political differences, collaboration in space is indeed possible. Upgrading Hubble could follow a similar path. A joint venture between a billionaire, a private company, and multiple government agencies, all testament to international cooperation and shared ambition. It's a bold vision, but as the Mir shuttle program proved, bold visions can become reality when we dare to dream big. Section 6. A new era. The dawn of commercial spaceflight and its implications. We are witnessing a paradigm shift, the democratization of space. Once the exclusive domain of governments, space is now open for business. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are leading the charge, driving down costs and increasing access to space, thereby opening up new possibilities. This new era of commercial spaceflight has profound implications. It's not just about launching satellites or sending tourists to space, it's about fundamentally changing our relationship with the cosmos and making space accessible to everyone. Upgrading Hubble is a perfect example of this new reality. A billionaire with a passion for space, a private company with the technical expertise, and a global audience eager to witness the wonders of the universe, it's a potent combination and a sign of things to come. But as we venture further into the cosmos, we must proceed with caution. Space is a delicate ecosystem, easily disrupted. We must be mindful of our impact and ensure that our pursuit of knowledge doesn't come at the expense of future generations. Section 7. The Kessler Syndrome, Space Debris, and the Need for Responsible Exploration. Space is vast, but it's not infinite, and it's getting crowded with satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments of debris, all whizzing around at thousands of miles per hour. This space junk poses a serious threat. It can collide with operational satellites, causing catastrophic damage. This chain reaction of collisions is known as the Kessler Syndrome, a scenario we want to avoid at all costs. Upgrading Hubble requires careful planning to mitigate the risk of space debris. The mission must be designed to minimize the creation of new debris, and the spacecraft must be deorbited safely at the end of its life. This is not just a technical challenge, it's an ethical imperative. We have a responsibility to preserve the space environment for future generations. We cannot allow our thirst for knowledge to turn space into a junkyard. Fortunately, there are solutions. International cooperation is key. We need to share information about space debris, develop technologies to remove existing debris, and establish clear guidelines for responsible space operations. Upgrading Hubble can serve as a model for sustainable space exploration. Imagine a Hubble telescope with enhanced capabilities, sharper images, wider fields of view, sensitivity to a broader spectrum of light. This is the promise of Hubble 2.0. An upgraded Hubble would be a game changer for astronomy. It would allow us to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. We could study the first stars and galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. We could unlock the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious forces that govern the universe's expansion. We could search for signs of life on exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. The possibilities are truly mind-boggling. Hubble 2.0 would not just be a telescope. It would be a time machine, a window into the universe's past, a tool for unraveling the cosmos's biggest mysteries. It would revolutionize our understanding of our place in the universe. It would inspire awe and wonder in people of all ages and backgrounds. It would be a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. But the benefits of upgrading Hubble extend far beyond the realm of science. Dark matter, dark energy, exoplanets. These are some of the most tantalizing mysteries in modern astrophysics, and Hubble 2.0 could hold the key to unlocking their secrets. Dark matter is invisible. We can't see it directly, but we know it's there because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. Hubble 2.0 could help us map the distribution of dark matter in the universe. It could provide crucial clues about its nature and origin. Dark energy is even more mysterious. It's causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. Hubble 2.0 could help us measure the properties of dark energy. It could shed light on this enigmatic force that's shaping the fate of the cosmos. Exoplanets are planets orbiting other stars. Hubble 2.0 could help us study their atmospheres. It could search for signs of life beyond our solar system. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. Hubble 2.0 could make it happen. Space exploration is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a source of inspiration. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Upgrading Hubble would be a powerful symbol of our commitment to exploring the universe. It would inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and mathematicians. It would show them that anything is possible if we dare to dream big. Space exploration has a unique ability to unite people from all walks of life. We all share the same sky. We all gaze at the same stars. We all feel a sense of wonder and awe when we contemplate the vastness of the cosmos. Upgrading Hubble would be a global event. It would capture the imagination of people around the world. It would remind us that we're all part of something much larger than ourselves. It would foster a sense of global citizenship and shared responsibility for our planet and our future. It would be an investment not just in science, but in the human spirit. Upgrading Hubble would be a bold undertaking, but it's a challenge we're ready for. The technology exists. The resources are available. The will is there. This mission represents the future of space exploration, a future where private companies and government agencies work together to achieve ambitious goals, a future where space is accessible to everyone, a future where we continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge and explore the wonders of the cosmos. It's a future worth striving for. It's a future that starts today, with a billionaire's bold bet and humanity's unyielding desire to reach for the stars.